Obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, is a mental illness that causes you to have unwanted, intrusive thoughts called obsessions. As a result, you engage in compulsions, which are behaviors or rituals to cope with these intrusive thoughts. Obsession takes many forms, such as fear of germs or illness, fear that you or someone else will get hurt, or fear that you didn't do something correctly or in the right order. Compulsions can be behaviors like washing your hands, organizing items so they're just so, checking multiple times that the doors are locked, repeating certain words or phrases, or avoiding cracks in the sidewalk while walking. Compulsions can also be mental, such as counting or praying in your head. You may fear that something awful will happen if you don't do the ritual. And these rituals can take up a lot of time every day. They may interfere with work, sleep, social life, and more. Treatment for OCD involves medications, psychotherapy, or both. One therapy option is called exposure and response prevention, ERP. This is when a therapist guides you to face your obsessive thoughts without doing a compulsion response. The goal is to learn that you can usually ignore intrusive thoughts. Antidepressants are a common medication used to treat OCD. If you think you may have OCD, visit a mental health professional who can help you find a diagnosis and treatment so you can live a more fulfilling life. If you're having thoughts of suicide, get support. Call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at 988.